time again. I'm gonna show you how to connect your PS4 to your iPhone and play on your iPhone. So first, turn on your PS4, turn it on, go to your phone, go to your apps, your app store, hit search, and search for PS4 remote play. You see that, download it. Then after you download, you go to the app, which is somewhere in there. So turn it on, you can hit start, and then it will start looking for your PS4. Connecting to PS4, and there you go. So you can use this controller. It will control the TV. It can control your TV right there. There's the joypad. So it works as your controller, but I don't recommend because it's difficult. Or you can use your controller and put this sideways. I'll show you full screen. Control it. So there you go. After you do this, you connected it first time with the same network. You can take your phone anywhere, but remember you have to have a wireless connection for your phone or your laptop to be able to use, or iPad to be able to connect to your PS4. It won't work on 3G or 4G or 5G or LTE. It won't work on that. It has to be a wireless connection, a good fast connection. So you can go any place and play your PS4. And just remember, before you connect your PS4, if you want to use your controller, connect your controller first and then do the PS4 remote play. Then you can use the controller to play. And also, if you haven't seen the video on how to connect your PS4 controller to your phone, check out my other video. Alright, subscribe.